Be a good host and a guest. We all love to get together with our friends and have favorite dishes. Even better when we share them with our friends. In short, we all love a party. If you have attended party, you may know what is party. What do you think makes a good party? Expensive, fancy clothes, costly decorations, rich food, such things make a party. Good look, glamorous, but is that enough or even necessary to make the people happy? A good party is where the host and the guest can both enjoy themselves and be happy. It should become a pleasant memory in the minds of all. Let us see what can we do to make sure that a party becomes memory in a good way. Let's have a surprise party for grandpa. Consult your family members first and see whether they like the idea. They will help you to choose a suitable time, place, menu, and etc. Make a list of the people you wish to invite to the party. Send the invitation well in advance. You may extend an invitation only or you may send a written invitation. Make sure that your invitation includes all the necessary information. Who is inviting whom, the occasion, why are you giving the party, when and where it will be held, what date, what time, what place. Informal letter, a formal letter. Choose a place, menu that your guests will enjoy. Remember the story of the fox and the crane. As a good host, you should consider your guest preference first. Chalk out the program. Will you begin with games or music? When will food be served? Do you want any decoration? How will they be done? Once you have planned the above details, you can work out how the various tasks can be done. Who will help you to do each of them on the day of party? You must be ready before your guests. For decoration, food preparation should be ready before your guests arrive. You must greet all your guests when they arrive. If they don't know one another, you must introduce them. You should see that all your guests are comfortable and happy. You should serve the food politely. Make sure that everyone is served with what they want. If you are holding party games, make sure that everyone gets a chance to participate and enjoy. Here are some common party games. Simon Says, musical chairs, hot and cold guessing game, cards, whispers, pull the tail of the donkey, treasure hunt. You should not keep playing with some friends and ignore others. When it is time for the guests to leave, you should say goodbye to each of them personally. Most important of all, help clean up after a party. If you are a guest, here are some tips for you. Please acknowledge that you have received the invitation and let your host know whether or not you will attend the party. If you are choosing a present for your host, think well about what she will like. A thoughtful gift is appreciated more than an expensive one. Remember to remove the price tag or label from the gift. It is not polite to let your host know how much you have spent on the gift. Wrap the gift well and if possible decorate the wrapping yourself on the day of the party. Be punctual, reach in time for the party. If there is any work to be done, offer help. Be friendly with other guests. Take part in the programs and games if there are any willingly. Appreciate the food and decorations honestly. Don't waste food. Take only as much as you want. Take part in program and games if there are any willingly. When it is time for you to leave, approach your host and say goodbye. Later on, let your host know either personally or in writing how much you enjoyed the party. The success of a party should be measured by the goodwill and friendship it creates. Be a host or a guest. Do all you can boost it. Thank you.